Hey people, welcome back to Saidi's vlog. We are back again with another reaction video people. We are talking about Krishna. He has just released his new song from Kalamkar, right? And we have been listening to so many of his songs and we have also reacted on a few of them. The last one that we had reacted on was the OG, which was like, oh my god, top notch. So this time it's, I think, going to be a little bit different again, right? Because he has been coming up with so many flavors to taste on our platter, right? So I think it's going to be interesting and we are really excited to react on this as well. The title of the track that we are going to react is on No Cap, people.
No cap guys. So we are pretty excited. Krishna coming back with back-to-back songs within a month. He's like fabulous and we know what he's capable of. And we are excited guys. So with that, watch till the end and let's get into the reaction. Krishna again guys, one more
आजकल यहाँ बहुत से जन मौके मिलते ही ओकेजन ए नो टाइम आई गॉट नो पेशेंस तुझे चाहिए जंग भेज अपनी लोकेशन ए मेरे गाने ऑन रोटेशन ये सोच से गरीब दे दो डोनेशन ए देसी हूँ मैं साउथ एशियन पर स्किन कलर लगे जैसे कॉकेशन ए नो मनी नो कॉन्वर्सेशन मैं तो अनअवेलेबल हमेशा ऑन वेकेशन ए हेडशॉट अगर कॉन्फ्रंटेशन इनकी टोपी भी उड़ा दूं लगे कॉन्वोकेशन ए बैक विद इट प्रैक्टिस इन अटैक करूं मैं फैक्ट्स लेके जैसे एक्टिविस्ट एक्यूरेट रैवेजिंग रैप इन इमैक्युलेट पैकेजिंग करना कैलकुलेट मेरी वैल्यू है चैलेंजिंग मैं महारथी लगूं नारदी भारती भाषा में बार्स लगे इनके महारथी करूं फ्लो जैसे महानदी पार्वती सारथी अब किनारे पे उतारो मेरी आरती मैं ऑफन अकेला नो ऑर्फन और घूमता नहीं लेके मैं साथ में बहुत जन ये रैपर यूट्यूब पे हिट पर शोज पे दे डोंट सेल टिक्स जैसे बॉस्टन इंस्टाग्राम पे आके करेंगे बहुत बात असली में झाट बराबर नींद की औकात माँ कसम चोट डाला पूरा करियर दिया है इन्हें बरियल आरआईपी टू योर होल स्क्वाड इनकी बीफ थी मजाक देन दे सेंट मी ट्रिगर दबाऊं व्हेन आई स्क्वीज टिल इट्स एम्प्टी मेरे नंबर्स हुए डबल करे एनवी नाउ आई बी लिविंग अप इन देयर माइंड वो भी रेंट फ्री हां मैं असली हूं नो कैप बीटों पे जंगली हूं नो कैप D2 में सन की हूं नो कैप करता मैं मन की हूं नो कैप असली हूं नो कैप बीटों पे जंगली हूं नो कैप D2 में सन की हूं नो कैप करता मैं मन की हूं नो कैप मुझे धमकी ना जमती है नो कैप तेरे फेवरेट रैपर का मेरे जैसे ना वो कैप बॉडी बैग में डालू लगेगा टो टैग घोड़ी भी बना दूं लगोगे शक्ल से बोजैक सर्जरी कानों पे करा है मैंने मर्डरी ऑल दीस इंडस्ट्री प्लांट्स इज फीलिंग लाइक अ नर्सरी वर्बली लेते मेरा स्टाइल करे बर्गलरी परजरी सोचे आगे प्लेट जैसे बर्बरी मेरा इंपैक्ट रैप पे इनफैक्ट स्ले व्हेन आई स्विंग दैट वेव में मैं सिनबैड बिग फैक्ट्स जब स्पिट करूं सिंटैक्स रियल एंड आई पिन दैट रूल है ये स्पिन दैट ब्रिंग दैट कोल्ड शैंपेन ब्रो अब पोस्टर लगेंगे जैसे कैंपेन हो ये दोस्त अब बनेंगे बना फैन पेज ब्रो और पोस्ट अप करेंगे जाके ग्राम पे रोज आस्ता ला विस्ता ना वास्ता ना रिश्ता खास था ना लास का ना पास्ता ना कृष्णा सांप सारा घास काटा रास्ता ना दिखता खाता ना नाश्ता ना पास्ता ना पिज्जा eat MCs my pen breeds some envy F in the chat and I don't mean friendly your girl be dreaming of semen why she be scheming word to the line demon might pull up on you like agency funny how they poke me lame boti thinking that they smoke me aim closely running with some pussies like your name Josie ये rappers लगे sugar no Shane Mosley हाँ इतने बार सो बार लगे felony scope लेके बैठा बता कौन यहाँ Kennedy बहुत सारे बेटा मेरे swan यहाँ enemies highway पे करूँ cruise storm या Penelope मैं असली हूँ no cap बीटों पे जंगली हूँ no cap D2 में सन की हूँ no cap करता मैं मन की हूँ no cap असली हूँ no cap बीटों पे जंगली हूँ no cap D2 में सन की हूँ no cap करता मैं मन की हूँ no cap आजकल यहाँ बहुत से जन मौके मिलते ही ओकेजन ए नो टाइम आई गॉट नो पेशेंस तुझे चाहिए जंग भेज अपनी लोकेशन ए मेरे गाने ऑन रोटेशन ये सोच से गरीब दे दो डोनेशन ए देसी हूँ मैं साउथ एशियन पर स्किन कलर लगे जैसे कॉकेशन ए
Oh god. Crazy, right? Oh my god, what do I say, man? What do we say, Dimple?
Let's get into the review, Sailesh.
Yeah, absolutely, man. We'll talk about it.
मैं असली में no cap.
Beat में जंगली हूँ no cap, man. The hook was like crazy, man.
Oh my god, that was something really interesting to listen to, right? Krishna, OG, yeah, just loved it.
The beat production, the music, the choreography, 10 on 10. The song, the bars, my god. And the use of the cast, man. Every time there was some references, some metaphors, the cast has acted that way. You could see the entire video. My god, it was like next level, man. Right, Dimple?
Of course, the way it started, it was really different. And every time we listen to his song and watch his videos, there is always different thing that he has been doing. Okay, this time we saw something really different and new, and it was really interesting to watch because he was dancing along with his troops or team, let's say that, and the dance was like awesome, with those gun, with that money flying, and lady artist dancing along with that, right? It was superb to watch, and the last reaction that we worked on OG was also superb, and this was something really, really different. Just loved it, people, and no one to judge.
Yeah, I think in one take it's difficult to decipher or decode the entire song, but the way he started, right? He started with bhauke and occasion. So it's not mauke, but when you bark too much, you get something, right? So it again, it is a very cleverful lyric writing, amazing. Kudos there, and he wearing a black shade and talking about that. And if you want a fight, I'll send you my location, right? So I think that is how the song starts, and after that it was belting of all the references and metaphors. There was a lot of flexing. He is talking about a lot of things, what he can do, how much patience he has, and if somebody is trying to beef him, he knows how to give them back, and we have seen that in the past. So references like one was the mythological references about all the lady gods and all, and at the end people praying Krishna, right? So that is what all the rappers might be doing to him, is what he is talking. And the best one was my pen breeds envy. So when he writes, people are jealous because it's so dangerous. It's so brutal. So we say, right, it's a lyrical criminal. He's a lyrical criminal, man. So many good references, and how can he write such a good lyrics? Vocabulary is like amazing. There were references about felonies are criminals, and then we had John F. Kennedy, so he is the politician. So there was a subtle reference there.
And Stan Mosley as well, right?
Sugar, and then we had Stan Mosley, the fighter. So that reference was pretty clever. So many good things, man. He talked about pizza and that whole thing about food and all, and then ended up there. Very nicely done. And then he talked about lot of things, and then ended in Burberry. So the rhyming was like killer, and there was
international level, really.
Absolutely bang on, man. This was like, the more you listen, I think the more you will fall in love with this song. So the whole essence was that he's not lying, he's real, and he can do serious damage, man. Guys, beware. So last time I told protect Krishna. Today I'm telling you, protect yourself from Krishna, man. This was epic, man. I just loved it. Best. With that, guys, if somebody is new to the channel,
please do not forget to subscribe. You Krishna's fans right all over, and yeah, do not forget to like, share, comment as well, whatever you want to do, guys, and do not forget to subscribe as well.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.